Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So in order to do that, we'll need to get a stable internet connection, and we need our Google Chrome browser or any browser you currently use. So let's just open Google Chrome, create new tab, and start searching for Fortnite. Mobile. Like that, we press go and just click on the first link visible right here. Now select the Get It on the Epic Games app, and something like that will pop up. Press OK, open, and you probably need to enable the Install Unknown Apps setting for your Google Chrome or any browser, so it will prompt you with that, and just press enable like that. Now select install, app is installed. We're gonna press open, and we can download Fortnite from here by just clicking on the get and then install. Now the download will start. Click on the launch. And from here it will just start downloading, and when it's done you'll be able to log into your Epic Games Store account and start playing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.